Hi guys, so we're doing review. So you two fridge toys. The review we're doing here. Okay, so there's a light over here. There's a light over here. Alright, and first one, I have the leapfrog tats fridge phonics. I bought this for Christmas. So let's go. It's here, and you can see we got these numbers here. 1, 2, 3, and see if we can do like this. Alright, and let's review. And so tap, and that's over here. It comes to 26 times and 3 4 30 times. And this thing is in here and push it. This is names and sound. Okay, the next one, the leapfrog fridge numbers. And as you can see, I think here, you can see a picnic here. This is a scout. That could be, and it comes with music. Alright? This comes in 10 numbers and 10 foods. Alright. And you can put the food in here. Push it and see it's fine. Alright, that's POD to the toys. Okay, thank you. Have a nice thanks so much. And please Christians and subscribe. That's okay. Thanks.